Start by signing into your PlayStation Network account. You'll need your current email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is where you'll make your email change. Select Account Information. Here, find the option to change your email address. Enter your new email address. Ensure it's one you have access to for verification purposes. After entering the new email, check your inbox for a verification email from PlayStation. Click the link in the verification email to confirm your new address and complete the process. Log back into your account using the new email address to finalize your change. Remember, your PlayStation ID remains unchanged. Feel free to explore your account. If you encounter any issues, visit the PlayStation support page for assistance. Stay updated with all PlayStation news by checking their official channels frequently. And that's it. Enjoy gaming with your updated email on PSN. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for your PlayStation.